Hi everyone, I'm here with my teaching assistant Lucy today. She wanted to be on the video because she's been working really hard, taking lots of naps and stuff. Anyways, I want to talk to you about week 7. As we go through the week, make sure that you take a look at the overview and the reading assignments, the reading quiz. And then for the assignments this week, we have a discussion on another comparison contrast essay. You might get some more ideas for how to structure your essay, develop your points, etc. So keep that in mind as you read it and discuss it. Next, there is a new unit we're starting on concision. So you want to make sure that you read these things, visit this website, and try to get a little bit of practice in before the end of the week. And lastly, this is your first major assignment. This is the most points we've had all semester, 100 points. It's your final draft. So please read my feedback on your rough draft, make some revisions, and then resubmit your final draft for a grade. Hope you have a great week, and let us know if you have any questions. Bye.